All right, in this Go High Level video, we're going to talk to you about how to add a domain. And we're going to talk to you about how to add subdomains, which will teach you what they are in. So you might notice we are in Backstage, and what Backstage is our white label version of Go High Level that you can get. You're going to get a full version of Go High Level. And you can get that down below. But what we're going to do is on the left-hand side, okay, let's say you already have a site, okay, it doesn't matter, okay, funnels, website, doesn't matter, and you want to add your domain to it. What you're going to do is at the very, very bottom, it says settings right there, okay? And so you're going to click on settings, and then you're going to scroll down to where it says domains, all right? Click on that. And I have a bunch of domains in here already, but what we're going to do is if you don't have one yet, you're just going to go to the top right. It says connect domain, big blue button, can't miss it. So we can click on that, and we are going to type in the domain that we want. So I have a domain on GoDaddy, and that domain is moreinfotoday.com. So I'm going to put it in this box, and then I'm going to hit continue. Now, it's going to ask you if you want to add the www to it, and I'm going to say yes, okay? And then I'm going to hit the blue continue button, and it's going to realize that it's on GoDaddy or whatever domain source that you have, and it's going to try to connect to that. So it might be helpful if you log in, like if you've already logged into GoDaddy, or it's going to ask you to, but I'm already logged into GoDaddy, so I hit authorize campaign, and it goes out there, and then I hit connect. This might look a little small on your end, but right there, the black, it says connect. I hit that, and it says more info today is lead connector. Lead connector is Go High Level. I hit close. Okay, then it sits here and it authorizes. I'm going to hit pause while it does that. All right, so now it's done. It's asking whether I want it to go to a funnel, website, store, blog. All right, so you can select what you have, and then there's a drop down. So what you're going to do is there's a drop down right here. And when you do a drop down, it's going to have all of your pages, okay? All of your pages. So let's say I wanted it to go to this page right here. Then it's going to ask me, well, which part of it? Do I want it to go to the sales page, the webinar, the blog? What part of this page do I want? So do I want it? So you know the main page you want the domain to go to. So let's say my main page was sales page. So I would select sales page, and then I'll click proceed to finish. And then it would automatically connect. But there's a step that we want to do right after this, okay? So now we have that, more info today, okay? So now what we want to do to make sure it's connected to the page is we want to click on go back. And at the top or whatever, funnels, websites, depending on where you have it, you could always just search for it too. But usually you could hit this little time thing if it's something that you're working on like right now, which probably is. I don't even know what website this is here. So I could click on this, and it has pages, and you can see it already has the domain set up. But I just want to make sure it's published right. So what I'm going to do here is click on edit, because you want to make sure the right page is set up and everything. And then what I'm going to do is hit publish at the top, okay? And what that's doing is it's going to just make sure that domain's published, right? So then I can hit back, and if I grab this root domain, I'm not going to need the /, okay? I'm going to just go open that in a new tab, and it opened it up. So that's just a capture page that I have there. So it works. So I didn't even need to do this after the /. I just have this root domain. But what's really cool is you could do what we call subdomains. And so let me show you what that means. What a subdomain really means is you could take one domain. So instead of you having to go spend money on a new domain every month, all right, you have your HTTPS, and then basically you can have a word dot your domain.com, right? So let's say I had a travel business, and because I used a simple domain, more info today, I could say travel or travel deals dot moreinfotoday.com. Or maybe I have a insurance business. I could say insurance dot moreinfotoday.com. And so I could take one domain and I could use it like 1,000 times in the system. So for example, if I come over here and I hit settings, go all the way to the bottom or to domains here. I want to scroll down to domains. So again, under settings, you click on domains. And to the top right, we're going to connect a domain. Even though we've already connected the domain, we're just going to do it again. And let's say I want travel.moreinfotoday.com. Whoop, I did not spell that right. Okay, I'm not putting HTTPS in front of it. Just the word I want, dot the domain, hit continue again. Again, it's going to go connect with GoDaddy now. And we'll set all that up. So we'll hit authorize domain again. Got to sign up in. Okay, I hit connect. It says it's been connected. I hit close, and it starts to work to put it in the system. Sometimes you'll get this where it says there's a problem. It's a GoDaddy thing. You just hit try again, and you just keep hitting try again, and eventually it should work. Okay, it worked. So as you can see, it has added travel.moreinfotoday. Now I could put this on a totally separate page than the page I used for just More Info Today. And again, I could keep adding these. I could add any word I want in front of my domain. That way you could spend like $12 a year and you could have 100 different pages set up that do all different things. So if I had travel, it would go to a travel page, let's say. But then if I had insurance, it could easily go to an insurance page, and the insurance people are never going to know there was a travel page that has travel based on the same domain. So I love that. And again, it's just easy. You figure out what funnel do you want to put it. Like I have a travel site right there, so I could hit travel, hit proceed to finish, and then that could be there. So I love subdomains. So that's how easy. I don't know what happened there. And so that's how easy it is to add domains to go high level. Very easy. But the subdomains allows you to add as many as you want based on one single domain. So check that out.